Alright, so we're going to do a quick little video today on something I see some people struggling with occasionally, and that is how to light your Suburban RV oven. It's not terribly difficult if you've experienced gas appliances with pilot lights. It's pretty similar to that. And what you have, you see this mechanism back here, is you have a gas burner, and above that you have a thermocouple. This is the thermocouple right here, and that senses that there's a flame, and then this is your gas port. And that thermocouple needs to be heated to the point where it is hot, so that it says, okay, I know I have a flame, and then it will keep it lit. So what I'm going to try to do is find a spot to set this camera where you'll be able to see what I'm doing, because you need a couple of different hands for this. I think that might just work. Okay. So what you need to do is turn to the pilot on, and you're most likely going to have to push that in. And then while you're pushing that in, you need to hold this flame so that it heats that upper thermocouple to where it will allow the gas to flow. Because until that gets hot enough, you're not going to get it. And now, as you can see, we got a little gas flowing. Thermocouple is hot enough. We've got our gas flowing, so now you can push it in, and your oven is lit. And then you can set it whatever temperature you want, or turn it back to pilot. And as long as you leave it on pilot, that will make sure that that stays on. If you turn it off, then it goes out.